And Mel and I are prepping to go
to the beach.
Right. Like we always go.
Yeah.
To Disney. And we are flying, so we haven't flown in a really long time. So we're going to go shopping today. Maybe find some clothes. We have wings. Oh, for the flying. Got you. It took me a second. And also things like, containers that are safe for flight. So anyway, come along.
We found Abuela, Wieta, and Peppa in one store.
Wait, no. And what's behind you?
Dolores.
So we struck out at Target.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever walked into Target and then walked out without buying something? Because we bought nothing.
I bought crazy hair.
That's just from the wind.
Yeah,
Walking in and out. So now, we're just gonna, I don't know. Where are we going next? There's a mall. We might go to a mall.
Let's go to the mall.
We were gonna go to Old Navy.
Mall.
Maybe Marshall's too, if there's a Marshall's.
Mall.
All right, mall next. Look at this cute jewelry we found.
I don't have any.
Mel's mad because this is, I can't get it to focus, but there we go. It's a lowercase m. Apparently only uppercase m's count.
Yes.
Oh, I like these little locket ones. Look, see? That's cute. Totally another lowercase m. Question, are these people's initials, or is it M because it's Minnie and Mickey?
I don't know.
I think this one's my favorite. Oh, that's so pretty. We finally reached the Mecca. So, Mel, I don't know if I like these or that one. You like the colored ones? Yeah, I think I like the colored ones too. So we'll get 2 of those. So Mel's also been looking for some cheap, knockoff AirPods. So there's teal, peachy, lots of different ones. Yeah. Which ones you gonna get? Oh, what a choice. I kind of like those. The deep blue, right there. And there's another marbled. See, there's those marbled ones. And that's kind of what you had before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like them? Yeah. Well, we changed our mind because these are
Glitter.
May. Who is it?
Lisa.
Oh, Lordy. Okay, so first off, it is so windy outside. The fact that our hair is not completely ridiculous. Yeah, she's having a weird day. So anyway, we have not had the best shopping day. We got a few things at Five Below, which we needed for going on the plane and stuff, but no new clothes. Why is it whenever you have money to shop, you can't find anything? Yeah, no, I don't know either. So anyway, we're gonna go buy some Starbucks to cheer ourselves up, and then I think we're done. So we will see you guys in the next vlog as we start headed to Orlando.
Bye, besties.
Bye.